Today is the day that Tango conquers the tree. Do you have anything to say, Tango? We'll just let him go to work. Tango is a 3-year-old Gator American Pit mix. He likes to take nice long walks in the park and eat trees. We'll move out of the light so everyone can see his beautiful coat. Yes. He has successfully broken the tree, I suppose, but he seems to want to work on the limbs. Move out of his way. Yeah, you take that tree out, Tango. You take that tree out. You made that tree your bitch. Take a deeper look at his other work that he has previously done to the tree to make it become his bitch. You go for it, big boy. You go for it. Say goodbye, Tango.